Hello everybody. So how do you use Screencastify? Well, Screencastify is a great screen recording tool that you can use. You have to install it on your Chrome browser. Once you do that, then you'll be able to do this. You'll click on this icon and you can record in your browser tab, meaning the tab that I am currently in, it will record. If I'm using multiple tabs or I want to show my desktop, that's probably the best option right here, desktop. And then I can use my webcam only and it'll show only my webcam so that my students can just talk to I can talk directly to my students. Now I'm going to record for this particular example using my desktop. And microphone, I want to make sure that that's on, and I want to make sure that I have my microphone that I'm using. So I'm going to use my built-in MacBook Pro microphone. And then right here I'm going to turn my webcam on, and you're going to see a thumbnail of my webcam in just a second. Then what I have here is I have some options where I can have a countdown tool to get me prompted to start. And I also have a drawing toolbar, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. Now, Screencastify is a free tool, allows you to record up to 5 minutes worth of content. If you want the pro version, you can check out the pro version for educators. It's $29, which isn't too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record just to show you what it looks like. Once again, I'm going to have right here my thumbnail. I'm going to just choose which screen because I'm working on multiple screens right now to work on. It's going to do a 3, 2, 1 for me so you can see my thumbnail right down here, and then I have some annotation tools. So anytime I'm working on a live document like a Google Doc or a website or things like that, I can use the annotation tools to draw, and I have the eraser right here that I can clear off. If I look at a PDF, unfortunately, the annotation tools will not work. I also have this pointer option, so we have the focus mouse, which allows you to get this halo effect around your mouse, which is awesome. Then you also have hide cursor when it's not moved, and also highlight your cursor when you're doing things. When you're completely finished, you're going to go ahead and hit pause recording and then hit stop. What it will then do is it will upload this and it'll save to your Google Drive, which makes it a whole lot easier. Once it is published, you can get the shareable link right here to it in Google Drive, or you can publish directly to YouTube. You can share directly to Google Classroom, or my favorite, you can have a QR code. So if you wanted to generate a QR code, you could take this QR code and put it on maybe a math assignment that you're having students complete, and you give a tutorial on how to do that so that they can scan and use their mobile devices. So a lot of different ways that you can go ahead and use Screencastify. To get it to my students, remember you have these sharing options right here. Let's just show you what it would look like from a Google Drive perspective. When I open this up, you'll see that it is up here on my screen. I can just share this as a link with my students, and the best part is that I also have the closed captioning feature available anytime that I publish on Google Drive or on YouTube. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use Screencastify. For more information, you can go check out screencastify.com.